I have written 5 problems. We shall find differential equation of all lines passing through origin. Second question is this: we shall find differential equation of all circles which touch the x-axis at origin. Similar problem may be which touch the y-axis at origin. And next we shall find differential equation of all circles which touch both the axes. Next is this: all parabolas with latus rectum 4a and axis parallel to x-axis. And last is all parabolas having axis parallel to y-axis. That this thing, equation of any line, solution লেখো, equation of a line passing through origin can be written as y is equal to mx. Here m is the slope. And this slope is parameter. Slope of this line and this line different. So when slope is different, line will be different. So m is the parameter, and this is equation number 1, and right here the m is the parameter. Now just like previous problem, we shall eliminate the parameter. So we want to keep the parameter free from x and y. For this I shall write it. We can write it as y by x is equal to m. Now if we differentiate, then automatically m will vanish. লেখো, differentiating with respect to x we get what are we getting? This derivative is x into dy dx minus y into derivative of x মানে 1 divided by x square is equal to m. So cross multiply karo, that means x into y1 is equal to y, where y1 is equal to dy by dx. So this is the required differential equation. So first sum done. Second sum দেখো, we shall find equation of a circle which touches x-axis at origin. Number 2. Diagram draw করো first. Without diagram, I think they will give you no marks. This is x-axis, it is y-axis. Circle which touch the x-axis at origin, that means circle may be this or maybe here or maybe this type, anything. So when a circle touch the x-axis at origin, its center must lie on y-axis, and if radius of such a circle is r, then center will be at r comma 0, 0 comma r. এই লেখো, লেখো, এই লেখো. Let r be radius, let r be radius of a circle which touch the x-axis at origin, which touch the x-axis at origin. Then its equation can be written as, I follow anyone please, what will be its equation? Anyone please?
x square plus y square equal to r square.
x square plus বলো,
X square plus y square equal to r square.
anyone, any other student?
y স্কয়ার বাই
What
ডি
will,
স্কয়ার হবে।
আচ্ছা লেখো, let r be radius of a circle which touch the x-axis at origin, then its center, লেখো, then its center be at, বলো তো what will be coordinate of center?
0, r.
0, r or 0, minus r, তাই না? So I can write 0, 0, r or 0, minus r, তাই না? 0, r or 0, minus r, তাই না? If it is here, then it is 0, r. If it is in second quadrant, then it will be 0, minus r. বলো, লেখো. Then, আচ্ছা, I think it will be better. আচ্ছা লেখো, then equation of circle can be written as, you have done in class 11-12, if center is AB and radius is R, then its equation will be x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So here also its equation will be x minus 0, center this or this, x minus 0 মানে it is x square plus y minus r or plus r, this square is equal to radius square. Is it clear to all of you? Sivan, is it right? Sivan, is it right? Jeet, any problem? Is it right? Jeet?
Yes sir.
So now, the what will be parameter here? R is the parameter because देखो, if R increases, then size of the circle also increases. So it is the parameter. Right here. देखो, here R is parameter. Here R is parameter. So number of parameter is 1. That means you have to eliminate R, মানে you have to differentiate exactly once. So first I shall simplify it. I লেখো, this will give you, it is x square, it is plus y square, plus or minus, अच्छा minus plus লেখো, this is minus or plus 2r into y plus r square is equal to r square. So we are getting it is x square plus y square, this r square cancelled. So if I take this term in right side, we will get plus minus twice ry. Now divide by y, you have to eliminate r, so you have to keep, you will try first if possible, you will try to keep r free from x and y. So divide by y, then what are you getting? It is x square divided by y plus y is equal to plus minus 2r. Now I shall differentiate. লেখো, now differentiating we get, now differentiating with respect to x we get, what are we getting? If we differentiate, what are we getting? This derivative is y into derivative of x square, মানে it is 2x minus y minus x square into derivative of y, মানে it is y1 divided by y square plus y1 is equal to 0. So we are getting this is twice xy minus x square into y1 plus y square into y1 is equal to 0. So it is twice xy is equal to x square minus y square into y1, where y1 is equal to dy by dx, where y1 is equal to dy by dx. লেখো, this is the required differential equation. This is the required differential equation. Next লেখো, number 3. দেখো, number 3. Here the circle touch both, which touch both the axes, both the axes BR, if radius of a circle which touch both the axes in first quadrant, লেখো, it is given in question, both the axes in first quadrant, in first quadrant BR, then its center, its center be at R comma R, its center will be at R comma R. Lekho. Then its equation will be either what will be equation? What will be equation? Lekho. Then equation is lekho. What will be equation? Then equation will be x minus r whole square plus y minus r whole square is equal to r square. Here r is only parameter because circle may be this or maybe this type. If circle is this, then its radius will be different. So r is changing. That means r is parameter. You have to mention it. Like r is parameter. R is parameter. লেখো r is parameter. I now simplify करो and try to eliminate. Just I am waiting 1 minute. Do it. Do it, Babu. Do it. Try to do it. So how we will eliminate? I can write it as it is x square minus twice r into x plus r square. It is y square minus twice r into y plus r square is equal to r square. We can cancel 1 r square. So this will become x square plus y square minus 2r into it is x plus y. This plus r square is equal to 0. And this is number 1. দেখো, in this problem it is not possible to separate r. It is not possible to make r free from x and y. So that is why we shall differentiate this. এই লেখো, differentiating 1 with respect to x we get differentiating 1 with respect to x we get what are we getting? If we differentiate this, what are we getting? It is twice x plus 2y into dy dx minus twice r into its derivative is 1 plus y1 is equal to 0. So from here we can easily calculate value of r. So we can calculate r is equal to x plus y1 divided by 1 plus y1. Now put this value of r in 1. I লেখো this is your homework, then putting r in equation 1 we get, I just you put value of r here and then you have to simplify it. This is your homework. This is your homework. You will do this. I clear, Babu? What will you do? Is it clear what will you do? Priyanjita, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Srinita, any problem? Srinita, অনাংসা আছো? তোমরা কলেজে এরকম প্রবলেম করেছো? এই তোমরা কলেজে করেছো এরকম
Yes,
প্রবলেম?
sir.
করেছো। এই নেক্সট লেখো, দেখো, all parabolas with latus rectum 4a and axis parallel to x-axis. To get equation of parabola, we need three things. Number one, its vertex, its latus rectum, and axis. If I know these three things, then we can easily find equation of parabola. Suppose this is a parabola. If its vertex, this is vertex, this is axis, this is latus rectum. If vertex is alpha comma beta and latus rectum is 4a and axis parallel to x-axis, it is x-axis, axis is parallel to x-axis, then its equation will be y minus beta whole square is equal to 4a into x minus alpha. In particular, if vertex is 0, 0, vertex 0, 0 মানে alpha 0, beta 0, then this will be y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax.
Hello.
So here it is given that a parabola
Record
latus
করেছো?
rectum is 4a and axis parallel to x-axis,
Hello.
but vertex is not
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ বল
given.
বল।
So vertex may be anything.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
So the parabola may be either this type
ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে।
or maybe this type.
হ্যাঁ 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 ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে,
So
তুই একটু মেসেজ করে
this
দিস
is
যে আমি
latus
করতে পারছি
rectum.
না।
If latus rectum is fixed, latus
ও
rectum
ঠিক আছে
fixed
ঠিক আছে
মানে
ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে।
size of parabola is fixed.
ওকে 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 ওকে। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
So
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
write it.
রাখছি।
এই লেখো, let alpha comma beta, be vertex of a parabola with latus rectum 4a and axis parallel to x-axis, parallel to x-axis. You will just draw this diagram. And axis parallel to x-axis. then equation of the parabola is then equation of the parabola is then equation of the parabola is y minus beta whole square is equal to y minus beta whole square is equal to 4a into x minus alpha. দেখো I have taken alpha beta, so alpha beta may be anywhere, alpha beta may be anywhere, so লেখো where alpha and beta are parameters, alpha and beta are parameters, this alpha and beta are parameters, I mark karo, this mark karo as 1, alpha and beta are parameters. Now differentiate karo, so we have to differentiate two times, লেখো লেখো differentiating 1 with respect to x we get, with respect to x we get, what are you getting? This is 2 into y minus beta into dy by dx is equal to 4a into this derivative is 1. Our aim is to eliminate alpha and beta. Here alpha already eliminated. Now we can write it as our aim is to now eliminate beta. So we shall try to keep beta free from x and y. So we are getting y minus beta is twice a divided by y1. So differentiating with respect to x we get, differentiating with respect to x we get, what are you getting now? This is y1 is equal to, this derivative is twice a into 1 by y1, its derivative is minus of y1 square into y2, no, minus of 1 by y1 square, minus of 1 by y1 square into y2. So this gives you, it is y1 cube plus twice a into y2 is equal to 0, where y1 is equal to dy by dx and y2 is equal to d2y dx2, and y2 is equal to d2y dx2, d2y dx2. এই দেখো next sum number 5 is your homework. Here just axis is given, vertex is not given, latus rectum is not given. That means in sum number 5, in sum number 5, here alpha, beta and a are parameters, are parameters. So you have to eliminate alpha, beta and a. So you will differentiate 3 times, then you will get some value. This is your homework. Sorry. This is your homework. You will do this. Very simple. You have to do sorry Baba. You have to do till this thing, and after this step you will write this is in this way. It is y1 cube divided by y2 is equal to minus 2a, and then just again derivative karo, 2a will be vanish. Okay, I clear what I want to say? Babu, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you will do this. Next heading though. So this is the formation of differential equation. Next lekho. Exact differential equation. Exact differential equation. In your syllabus, we shall check exact differential equation. How will we check whether a differential equation is exact or not? And then we shall solve the exact differential equation. And next we shall do, if a differential equation is not exact, then how can I solve it? First two or three integrating factors or a result you have to do. First level. A differential equation, do it. A differential equation, m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. A differential equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is said to be exact, if del m del y is equal to del n del x. Del m del y মানে we shall differentiate m with respect to y considering x as constant, আর del n del x মানে we shall differentiate n with respect to x taking y as constant. If they are equal, then we shall say that it is exact differential equation. It is exact differential equation. Now, if a differential equation is exact, then how can I solve it? Again lekho, or another definition, write it. Or a differential equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 will be exact if there exists a function u of x comma y, if there exists a function u x comma y such that m dx plus n dy is equal to some d of u. M dx plus n dy is equal to some derivative of u. So note it. So that is differential equation will be du is equal to 0. Du is equal to 0. And if differential equation is this, then its solution is u is equal to constant u is equal to constant. So this solution is u is equal to constant. Another result lecho, we shall use it. Result is this: du can be written as, কি করবি বাবা শোনো, কি করবে, কি করছে এখন, কি করবে, অঙ্ক করছিল তো, ঠিক আছে ফিজিক্স ক্লাস কর, যদি দেখিস যে ফিজিক্স ক্লাস ঠিকঠাক হচ্ছে তাহলে করবি, না হলে অঙ্ক করা শুরু করবি, ঠিক আছে। লেখো, রেজাল্ট ইজ দিস, যে du is equal to, du can be written as in this way, this is a result, du মানে del u by del x into dx plus del u by del y into dy. So that means if I compare, দেখো if I compare this differential equation with m dx plus n dy, so that means del u by del x will be m and del u by del y will be n. I shall use these results. How? First question লেখো, question লেখো, have you done this type of results in your college? Have you done it? I think you have done. They have given in your syllabus.
Sir, no, sir, this result is yet not done.
But you have sent me in your group this solution is in your syllabus. দেখো
Sir, হাতের
solution of
আপনি নোট ধরে কিছু করায়নি।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, ওরা করিয়ে দেবে হয়তো কোনো একদিন, ঠিক আছে। তোমার ম্যাথ এক্সাম কবে?
16th।
কবে বলো?
16th।
16th মানে 16th মানে স্যাটারডে, তাই তো? 16th মানে স্যাটারডে, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, না করো করো, তাই লেখো, লেখো, solve the differential equation, solve the differential equation, this differential equation, solve this differential equation. 4x cube into y cube minus twice xy this into dx plus 3x to the power 4 y square minus x square into dy is equal to 0. 4x cube y cube minus twice xy into dx plus 3x to the power 4 into y square minus x square into dy is equal to 0. And this is number 1. We shall solve this equation. So first of all you have to check whether it is exact or not, whether this is exact or not. How can I solve this? Whether this is exact or not, I check কর, লেখো, comparing this equation with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Comparing this equation with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, we get m is equal to this dx, m মানে with dx, it is 4x cube into y cube minus twice xy, আর n is equal to with this dy 3x to the power 4y square minus x square. So del m del y চেক করো, del m del y মানে I shall differentiate with respect to y taking x as constant. So this will give you, it is 12 x cube y square minus this is 2x is constant, derivative with respect to y মানে 1, and del n del x মানে derivative with respect to x considering y as constant. So here 3 into y square will be constant, derivative of x to the power 4 is equal to 4x cube, so it is 12 into x cube minus 2x. Is it clear to all of you what I have done?
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Sibayan, any problem? Soham, any problem? Soham, any problem? Priyanjita, any problem?
No, sir, no problem.
Sir,
Oh. So del m del y is equal to del n del x, তাই না? লেখো therefore del m del y is equal to del n del x. লেখো therefore equation 1 is exact. Therefore equation 1 is exact differential equation. So exact differential equation মানে I can write the differential equation in this way. লেখো therefore there exists a function, therefore there exists a function, there exists a function u x comma y, there exists a function u x comma y such that the given differential equation is, or the given differential equation can be written as, given differential equation can be written as du is equal to 0, du is equal to 0, then solution is u is equal to constant, this is number 2, and our aim is to find u, so the relation is this, লেখো where del u by del x is equal to m. এই দেখো here just this result and this result compare করো, so del u by del x will be m, So del u by del x is m. M মানে it is 4x cube into y cube minus twice xy. This is number 3. And del u by del y is equal to n, which is equal to this thing. So this is 3 into x to the power 4 y square minus x square. This is number 4. This is number 4. Now, from 3 what are you getting? From 3 we get if we integrate, দেখো, when we shall integrate, when we will integrate from here, we get u is equal to, I shall integrate with respect to x taking y constant. So we are getting it is 4 into integration with respect to x মানে x to the power 4 by 4, x to the power 4 by 4 into y cube minus 2 into y into integration of x মানে it is x square by 2, and plus there will be a constant. Since we are integrating with respect to x, so here constant will be a function of y. A constant will be a function of y. এই দেখো, if you differentiate u with respect to x partially, then you will get this thing. So these 4 cancelled, these 2 cancelled, these 2 cancelled, this. Now here gy is unknown. Again you have to calculate gy, and to get gy I shall use equation number 4. লেখো, putting u in 4 we get, what are you getting? If you put u here, then with respect to y derivative করো, this will become 3x to the power 4 into y square minus this is x square, derivative of y is 1, plus some g dash to y is equal to this thing. It is 3x to the power 4y square minus x square. So this part cancelled, this part cancelled. So this will give you g dash to y is equal to 0. Now again integrating we get g of y is equal to some constant k is equal to k, which is constant. Therefore u is equal to, put here, u is equal to x to the power 4 into y cube minus x square into y plus k. And this is the solution. So put here, therefore solution is what are you getting? Solution is u is equal to constant. So if I put value of u here, solution is u is equal to I লেখো then solution is it is x to the power 4 y cube minus x square into y is equal to some c is constant. Here this constant and this constant together will give you a new constant c. So this is the solution. Have you not done this in your college? Have you not done?
Sir, done, but we have not taken U like this.
So then how?
Sir, they have directly integrated with respect to x ones and then y ones, and from there they found it.
The common part is rejected, na?
Yes, sir.
Uh, Actually, this is the shortcut method, but maximum teacher of your college do not allow this. There are three methods of solving exact equation. First method is just integrate m with respect to x and integrate n with respect to y, and the common terms will be rejected. The sum is constant. This is the solution. And in your college maximum teacher follow this method, so that is why I have done this. I follow. What will you do? Achha, this is one method. This is not done in follow in any section. You have not done this method. Achha, so this is one method. Now I shall use, no problem, I shall do another problem by using your method in what you have done in college. That this
স্যার
method.
এরকম করলে কি কেটে দেবে?
একদম না, এটা করলে 100% ট্রু। তোমাদের যেটা তোমাদের কলেজে করিয়েছে সেটা বরং অন্য টিচাররা কেটে দেয়। আমি তো সেই জন্যই এটা করালাম। তোমাদের কলেজে যেটা করেছে সেটা অন্য টিচাররা অ্যালাউ করবে কিনা জানি না, সেটা আমি আগে করতাম, কিন্তু তোমাদের টিচাররা অ্যালাউ করতো না। কখন যে কোন টিচার কি অ্যালাউ করে আর কোনটায় যে মানে কোনটায় মার্কস দেয় আর কোনটায় দেয় না, ওটা খুব খুব মানে ডিফিকাল্ট একটা সিচুয়েশন। আমি তোমাদের দুটো মেথডই করে দেখাচ্ছি, দেখো। আচ্ছা, অ্যানাদার নেক্সট কোশ্চেন লেখো। সলভ দিস নাম্বার 2, x square minus y, very simple question. This dx plus y square minus x into dy is equal to 0. This is number 1. Look, comparing the given equation with m dx plus n dy with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, we get capital M is equal to x square minus y and n is equal to y square minus x. I check karo exact or not. So del m by del y is equal to -1, del n del x is equal to -1. Therefore del m del y is equal to del n del x. Therefore equation 1 is exact differential equation. Equation 1 is exact differential equation. So exact differential equation মানে now I can solve it. লেখো, how can we solve it? So it is exact. In your college you have followed this method. এই লেখো, এই দেখো m dx মানে I shall integrate m with respect to x. So right here integration m dx within bracket লেখো taking y as constant. What are you getting? So y is constant here. So this integration is x cube by 3 minus y into x, and you have to integrate n with respect to y. So integrate n dy taking x as constant, x as constant. So what are you getting? n dy মানে, so with respect to y we shall integrate, so we are getting y cube by 3 minus x is constant, this into y. Here this term is common term, then we shall just add them. The solution is, first I shall write this whole term x cube by 3 minus x into y, and from this part I shall take only those part which have not taken. So this part is not here, so this will be y cube by 3. This part already taken, so don't take it. This equal to k. Bas, that is the solution. You have done this solution, this method in your college, তাই না?
ইয়েস স্যার, এই মেথডটাই করিয়েছে।
এটা করিয়েছে না? আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, no problem, you can do anything, but this method your sum of your teacher does not allow this method, so that is why I have done actual theory part how we are getting this. Okay, no problem. So I have done this method 1 and this is method 2. Now question is this, I shall do two integrating factors. এই দেখো, if a differential equation is not exact, this is exact, so its solution is this. But if a differential equation is not exact, then I can make it exact by multiplying by some function of x and y. This function is known as integrating factor. Write it. লেখো, if a differential equation, if a differential equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is not exact, then we can make it exact, we can make it exact by multiplying by some integrating factor by multiplying by some function of x and y. This is known as integrating factor. This is known as integrating factor. It is known as integrating factor. Now, there are some rules of finding integrating factor. লেখো, rule 1, rule 1, rule 1. রুল 1 লেখো, if m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, if m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, is homogeneous equation, is homogeneous equation, is homogeneous equation and আচ্ছা জাস্ট রাইট অ্যান্ড না লেখো, ইফ দিস ইজ হোমোজিনিয়াস ইকুয়েশন দেন integrating factor is 1 divided by mx plus ny, where mx plus ny is clearly not equal to 0, not equal to 0. This is rule 1. This is rule 1. So if a differential equation is not exact but it is homogeneous, then its integrating factor will be this. Question লেখো, question লেখো. Solve this equation. Solve this equation. It is x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 into dx minus xy cube dy is equal to 0. This is number 1. It is number 1. লেখো, comparing equation 1, comparing equation 1 with m dx plus, with this equation, with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, we get m is equal to x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4, n is equal to minus of x into y cube, minus of x into y cube, minus of x into y cube. So del m del y is equal to, del m del y is equal to 4y cube, and del n del x is equal to minus of y cube, minus of y cube. লেখো, therefore del m del y is not equal to del n del x. Therefore equation 1 is not exact, not exact. এই দেখো, this is actually homogeneous differential equation, because দেখো, degree of this part is 4, degree is 4, degree is 4. So it is homogeneous differential equation, and homogeneous differential equation মানে this will be integrating factor. এই লেখো, equation 1 is,
ডিফারেনশিয়াল ইকুয়েশন কিভাবে বুঝবো বললেন?
হ্যাঁ বলো,
বলছি
সব
হোমোজেন
সব ডিগ্রিগুলো সেম হবে। দিস
যতগুলো
ডিগ্রি
পারবে
এক্স টু দি পাওয়ার 4 মানে ডিগ্রি ইজ 4, এটার ডিগ্রি 4, এটা এক্স ইন্টু ওয়াই কিউব, সো ডিগ্রি অফ এক্স ইজ 1, ওয়াই ইজ 3, সো টোটাল ডিগ্রি মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন হচ্ছে, তো টোটাল ডিগ্রি ইজ 4.
ওকে স্যার।
ওকে, এই লেখো, সো equation 1 is homogeneous. Equation 1 is homogeneous differential equation. Now m dx plus n dy first check করো, লেখো m into dx প্লাস n ইন্টু dy ইজ ইকুয়াল টু ক্যালকুলেট করো, সরি m ইন্টু এক্স, m ইন্টু এক্স n ইন্টু y ক্যালকুলেট করো। m ইন্টু এক্স মানে ইট ইজ x টু দি পাওয়ার 5, x ইন্টু y টু দি পাওয়ার 4, আর n ইন্টু y মানে it is minus of x into y to the power 4, so it is x to the power 5 which is not equal to 0. Therefore integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny which is 1 by x to the power 5. This is integrating factor. Now I shall multiply by integrating factor. লেখো, multiplying equation 1 by integrating factor multiplying equation 1 by integrating factor we get if we multiply by integrating factor, then what are we getting? This will give you this divided by x to the power 5, this by x to the power 5 is equal to 0. Separate karo, it is 1 by x, y to the power 4 by x to the power 5 minus y cube by x to the power 4, this dx minus this dy is equal to 0. This is number 2. Now we shall check whether it is exact or not. I লেখো, let m dash is equal to, this is m dash is equal to 1 by x plus y to the power 4 by x to the power 5 and n dash is equal to minus of y cube by x to the power 4. Therefore del m dash again check karo, del m dash del y, this is 0, this is 4 into y cube by x to the power 5 and del n dash del x is equal to its derivative is this is actually minus of y to the power 3, it is x to the power minus 4, so this will become actually plus 4 by x to the power 5. So therefore del m dash del y is equal to del n dash del x. Therefore equation 2 is exact. Equation 2 is exact. Now just we shall integrate. Equation 2 is exact. Now write it. লেখো, integrate m dash, লেখো, so integrate m dash dx within bracket লেখো, taking y as constant, what are you getting? And integrating n dash dy, taking x as constant, what are we getting? M dash taking y constant, so it is minus of 1 by x square. First it's this integration is log of x plus y to the power 4 into this integration mane x to the power minus 5, so it is x to the power minus 4 by minus 4 divided by this, or integration n dash dy with taking x constant, so minus 1 by x to the power 4, or integration y cube mane it is y to the power 4 by 4. The solution is First we shall write all these terms. It is log x minus y to the power 4 x to the power minus 4 plus 4. And this term already taken. So we shall not take again. So this equal to k. This equal to k. I bolo any problem babu? Any problem? Any problem? Anish, any problem?
No, sir.
Sonak, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Srinita, any problem? Srinita, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Write homework. Write homework. I देखो y square dx plus x square minus xy minus y square dy is equal to 0. It is homogeneous. देखो degree 2 so all degree same man it is homogeneous. And number 2 second homework is this y cube minus twice xy square this dx plus twice x into y square minus x cube dy is equal to 0. I দেখো if you face any problem using the rule in your college, then you will try to do my first method. Using first method you will get solution of every problem, but using in your college wala method you may face some problem because for second method you need simplified value. Next देखो I rule 2 second rule is this rule 2 I rule 2 देखो if capital M is equal to I rule 2 second rule is this if capital M is equal to some function of xy into y and n is equal to some function of xy into x, then integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. 1 by mx minus ny, and clearly mx minus ny is not equal to 0. I লেখো where mx minus ny is not equal to 0. Question লেখো solve this y into xy plus twice x square y square this dx plus x into xy minus x square into y square this dy is equal to 0. And this is number 1, right? Comparing with mdx plus ndy, mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, we get, what are we getting? We get m is equal to, it is y into xy plus 2x square y square, and n is equal to x into xy minus x square y square. And this equation will be not exact. This is your homework. You will show that it is not exact. You will show this. So not exact money, you need integrating factor. So integrating factor find करो, लिखो m into, I देखो, this is actually this form. This is function of xy into y, and n is function of xy, মানে there will be xy together into x. So you have to use second rule. So mx minus ny মানে if I multiply by x here, we will get x square y square plus 2 into x cube y cube minus of, if I multiply by y, so it is x square y square minus x cube y cube. So this will give you x square y square cancelled. So it is 3x cube y cube. This is not equal to 0. So integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny, that is 1 by 3x cube into y cube. 3x cube into y cube. So now I shall multiply by integrating factor. I लिखो, multiplying 1 by integrating factor, we get, multiplying 1 by integrating factor, we get, what are you getting? Write it. So if we multiply by integrating factor, we get, so this divided by 3x cube into y cube, and this will be 3x cube into y cube. करो. Then simplify करो. And what are you getting? Simplify करो बाबू. Simplify करो and tell me. What are you getting after simplification? I দেখো, we shall cancel first y, so here we will get y square. Here if we cancel 1x, then it will be x square. So this will give you, if you now separate it, so it is 1 divided by 3x square into y plus it is 2 by, it will be 3x this dx plus this will be, if you separate it, 1 by 3, it is xy square minus 1 divided by 3y, this dy is equal to 0. This is number 2. Clearly you will check this. So write it, let m dash is equal to, let m dash is equal to 1 by 3x square y plus 2 by 3x, and n dash is equal to 1 by 3xy square minus 1 by 3y. It will be exact. You have to check it. This is your homework. You will check it. Now, after getting exact, now we can solve it. Solve it. So, integrating m dash dx, taking y as constant, you will write y is constant, so its integration is 1 by 3y constant, integration of 1 by my x square mane it is minus of 1 by x plus it is 2 by 3 into log x, or integration n dash dy, taking x as constant, this is 1 by 3x integration of 1 by y square mane minus y, this minus of 1 by 3 into log y, into log y. So add them. Therefore solution is, I দেখো, this part is common, so I shall take only once. Solution is minus of 1 by 3xy plus 2 by 3 into log x minus 1 by 3 into log y is equal to k, is equal to k. Now just write a homework. So these two rules I think in your syllabus. So differential equation part according to your syllabus it is complete. Now tomorrow I shall do one class and I shall do group theory. How much you have done from group theory? Total group theory is in your syllabus?
Yes, sir. Group,
Yes.
subgroup, everything is there.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে. So we shall try to do as maximum as possible. Tomorrow I shall do. লেখো, actually they have given too much in your CIA
গ্রুপ
syllabus.
সাবগ্রুপে আপনি জাস্ট ওই ইকুইভ্যালেন্স ক্লাসের যেগুলো না ওই কয়েকটা একটু করালে বেশি ভালো
আচ্ছা
হয়।
ঠিক আছে, দেখছি আমি কতটা করা যায়। ঠিক আছে, দেখছি। আমার আরেকটা নাও, I have to finish now class. I have another class from 8:30. Homework লেখো, you will do this. This is your homework. X square into y square plus xy plus 1 into y dx plus x square into y square minus xy plus 1 into x dy is equal to 0. This is your homework. Just do till this. I shall send you some solutions, some problems with solution from differential equation. I shall send you. So this part, differential equation, complete according to your syllabus, CIA syllabus. I next tomorrow I shall do one class either from 7 or from 7:30. I shall inform you. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you all. So you can leave now. Okay.